much power does an FMF pipe make on a 2022 KTM 350? We're going to find out that information today in this video, as well as a little bit more information between map 1, map 2 on the OEM ECU with both this pipe and the stock pipe. We're also going to throw on a Git ECU with our own custom tune with this pipe and a stock pipe. Let's get smarter today. Guys, moment of truth. Stock pipe, stock ECU versus the FMF pipe in the stock ECU. We did all of our testing with both maps so we could get a good comparison. So in this chart, it's map 2 versus map 2. Let's move on and see what we can get with the FMF pipe and our Git ECU. Moment of truth, guys. How did this FMF do with the Git? Well, here we go. We got the FMF with stock ECU map 2 versus our custom Git map. As you can see, we picked up nice gains on this FMF with the Git ECU, but the real question is, how does it compare to the stock pipe with the Git ECU? Well, we're throwing that chart up now. As you can see, the stock pipe edged out this FMF in peak wide open throttle performance by just a little bit. Our customer said he felt this on the track, and that's why the bike came back in to do this testing. So in his opinion, it did not add peak performance or pulling power. However, he did say that the pipe felt like it had more RPM response on the track. In my opinion, this is something that shouldn't go unnoticed when you're purchasing pipes or parts. Sometimes, for people looking for more snap, there are parts and pieces out there that will deliver a little bit more excitement. However, they may not deliver better actual power. So if you're looking for more horsepower for starts or hill climbs or road racing, maybe it's not the product for you. If you're looking for a little bit more RPM response coming out of corners, maybe it is the product for you. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side. Be sure to check back, like, and subscribe because we got a lot more great content coming at you.